In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Card. Anchor links let visitors click a button or menu item and smoothly scroll to a specific part of the same page. They're perfect for single-page sites with sections like About, Services, or Contact. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional navigation experience that helps people get exactly where they want to go without extra clicks. First, open your site in the editor. From your dashboard, click the site you want to edit. Card will load the canvas with your sections on the left and a settings panel on the right, which is where we'll set the anchor in a moment. Make sure you're editing the correct site if you manage more than one. Next, choose the spot you want people to land on. Click directly on the section, container, or individual element that should be the target of your scroll. Selecting the exact container avoids dropping visitors a few pixels too high or too low. Containers are often the best choice because they define the boundaries of a section. With that target selected, look to the right-hand panel. Open Settings, then find the ID field. Type a short, memorable name for your anchor, such as About, Contact, or Pricing. Keep it simple. Use lowercase letters, no spaces, and avoid special characters. Don't include the number sign here, just the word itself. IDs must be unique on the page, and they are case sensitive, so an exact match matters later. This ID is the anchor Card will scroll to. Now choose the element people will click. It can be a button, a text link, or a navigation item. Click to select it, then open its link settings. Set the link type to URL, and in the field, type the number sign followed by your ID, like Macad About. And that number sign is important. It tells Card this is an on-page anchor. Double check for typos and matching capitalization. If your site has multiple pages, remember that anchors work within the current page. To jump across pages, you'd use a full page URL followed by the same Najpad ID on that destination page. When everything looks good, save your changes. Saving locks in the ID on the target section and the URL on your link element. Use the preview to test, click your link, and make sure the page scrolls to the exact spot you chose. If it lands slightly off, try assigning the ID to the parent container instead of a child element. And that's it. You've added a clean, professional anchor link in Card that makes navigation faster and more intuitive for your visitors.